Hello everybody, welcome to this video, and today we're doing a freak show scare zone. Oh, no, not scare zone, it's scare maze now. Freak show. Here, you see I think the TP is... I'll change a different camera. You can see up there the TP has fallen down. But yes, exciting stuff to see around here. So you can see here, there's a blade type thing there. Oh, wait. There's a lot more we can see today, guys, than in my last video. The tap's up there now. Oh, I don't know if you see that. There's loads of walls. Oh. I've taken this down. Yeah, they put that back together. That's how it was with this, with the scare maze. All the doors have been attached to the back of that. So it's going to go around there. Oh, that's brilliant. Then maybe exit at the back gate down there. Golf balls on the floor over there. Oh. And then it looks like there's a brick effect. I don't know how well you can see it. It looks like there's a brick effect there. So I don't know how well we're going to be able to see here, but there is a chair there. Walls up, there's a load of theming around the back, but this netting that they have across here, it's so good to make people not see. Oh, there's a whole theming structure in there. I don't know why you can see. Oh, that is I can't wait for this maze. So obviously, as you can see here, it's going to come around the side, across here, then into here, which that massive theming piece there. I don't know what it is, obviously, but I'm going to somewhat try and nab it in for you guys, if we can. A what? Let's look what we can see from here then, guys. Here we see more barbed wire and a clown head. Something from Bean Theme Park. I don't know if you can see through it. See here, there's wires everywhere, possibly used, and there's an old camera on the floor. Best I can show you, they've put a wall in at the back. And it looks like maybe an act corridor, maybe. But yeah, they put a wall in through this whole section so you can't see. We can see more theming. There's new crates there with theming in, and you can see, if I come over here, see straight down. So we can see here some new theming. That's here we can see the new theming. Of course, that's the scare maze part at the bottom. Maybe you'll come here or out here, I don't know. Other bits and bobs over there, nothing too spectacular. New crates with probably theming in. Of course, I can't wait to see the development of this maze. Gonna be sick. So that's it for the freak show maze construction update. See, a lot of stuff has happened since the last time we were here. It's very restricted, access to see. So I'm sorry for that, guys. But hopefully, when I come Oktoberfest, I'll be filming another one. There's going to be even more stuff to see, and I cannot wait for this maze Scarefest. It's going to be sick. So please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.